Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to download and install Pac-Man 256 application right on your Android device and start playing the game. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, unlock your device and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Now launch open Play Store on your Android device. Go to the search icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. You will see a search bar at the very top. Type in Pac-Man 256 and search. Look for this Pac-Man 256 Endless Mage application and tap on Install to begin the download process. Wait for the installation to complete, and once it does, you can tap on Open or Play to launch the game. And there you have it. You can easily download and play Pac-Man 256 Endless Maze on your smartphones or tablets. Allow necessary permission for the app and then start playing. The Pac-Man 256 is a modern, endless take on the classic arcade game with new challenges and mechanics. The endless mode keeps player engaged for long play sessions. Variety of power-ups adds strategic depth beyond classic arcade gameplay. So that's how you easily download, install, and start playing the Pac-Man 256 Endless Mage right on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.